Here I have Nokia 5 and let me show you how to add the screen lock on the following device. At the very beginning, let's start by using the settings right here. Then you have to scroll down and let's choose the security. Choose screen lock, and now you have to decide that you would like to use pattern, pin or password. Let me choose pattern. You can require pattern to start the device, but let me choose no thanks. Let's draw your unlock pattern and let's do it again just for confirmation. And choose your form of notifications. You can select show all notification. You can hide the sensitive content or don't show notifications at all. Let me hide sensitive notifications, tap done, and you can change some settings connected with your screen lock, or you can simply use your power key. And now you can unlock your device just by using your pattern. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.